As we move on in our series on the ABCs of aging, we move to the letter H for home repair. Now, these are some things that you as the adult child need to be responsible for that perhaps your parents have not been paying as much attention to, like having a yearly pest control, having air conditioning and heating maintenance done, get a contract in place, tighten those handrails throughout the house. Make sure the numbers on the outside of the house are visible from the street. So paint them on the curbs and make sure the numbers on the mailbox are visible. I encourage having something like ring doorbells so that you can see who's coming and going and that your parent doesn't run to the door. So make sure there are power cords throughout the house so that your parent can plug in their phone wherever they are. Have bright light bulbs. The best light bulb right now is bright white. It's very bright, but it's very important. And finally, perhaps the most important, is have batteries and replace them in the remote control every time you come so that your parent is never without power to make sure that they can watch their television on a daily basis. We got this, guys. Let's do it.